After completing his degree and working for 3 years at Purdue University, Bill decided to go to law school. Bill wanted to expand upon his activism, and he felt law school would be the best route to do that. He was inspired by civil rights lawyer Morris Dees, the co-founder of the Southern Poverty Law Center. In 1993, Bill was accepted to the Ohio State University College of Law. In law school, Bill was active in the LGBT Student Association, the Lawyers Guild, the Public Interest Law Foundation, and was one of only 3 male members of the Feminist Law Caucus. Bill was also a senator for the Student Bar Association, and in his 3rd year, he was elected president of the Student Bar Association. During law school, Bill worked at the law library, for the Legal Aid Society, and began doing mediations for the Columbus City Prosecutor's Night Prosecutor Program. This started a 27-year relationship with the Columbus City Attorney's Office. After law school, Bill was hired as a legal intake officer at the prosecutor's office before becoming an assistant city attorney. Bill has held many titles with the Columbus City Attorney's Office, including environmental prosecutor, intake director, deputy chief prosecutor, chief prosecutor, chief of staff, and lead senior prosecutor. Bill has often been recognized for his work at the Columbus City Attorney's Office. In 2002, the Ohio State University College of Law named him their most outstanding recent alumni. In 2004, he was selected as one of Columbus's top lawyers, as voted on by peers in Business First magazine. In 2013, he was awarded the Mayor's Award of Excellence for Outstanding Service. In 2014, he was awarded the Models of Justice Prosecutor of the Year from the Justice League of Ohio. And in 2016, he was a nominee for the National Crime Victims Service Award. Over many years of service, Bill has developed extensive relations with the media, resulting in over 500 appearances in articles and on television. Beyond local press, he has appeared in 2 articles in the National Enquirer, 2 stories on Fox News National. He's made an appearance in an award-winning documentary, in Vanity Fair Online, The Daily Beast, and a reference in the Scottish Times. Bill has been acknowledged in a Christian romance novel. Bill also created and starred in the cable access program Fugitive Files with Bill Hedrick. Bill has handled thousands of cases in the courtroom, but his greatest satisfaction is the work and the projects he's done outside the courtroom. He created the Fugitive Warrants Program, highlighting individuals with outstanding warrants and focusing on those with warrants for animal cruelty and drunk driving. The program also strived to help individuals with lower-level offenses to get their warrants resolved without being arrested. Bill created and directed the office's Identity Correction Project. This project helped victims of identity theft remove charges they did not commit from their record. As Chief of Staff, Bill promoted hiring Catch Court graduates who are survivors of human trafficking to jobs at the Columbus City Attorney's Office. He also hired graduates of the city's Restoration Academy, a program to help offenders with felony records to gain employment. Bill also created a partnership between the City Attorney's Office and Street Speech, a newspaper published by the Homeless Coalition. The City Attorney's Office provided content for the newspaper and helped to promote it. I've known Bill for over 20 years. I've watched him work in the courtroom. I've watched him work with judges, attorneys, and victims of crime. I know that if we elect Bill Hedrick to the bench, he will bring compassion and empathy to the courtroom.